Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. And to know what's today's video, just sit still and keep on watching.
We have here, we got a Walmart basket. Oh my goodness, and look at all the fruits and the vegetables. Now let's check what inside. What is this? Oh, it's an egg. And what is this? A lemon. And what is this? A corn. Let's check this out. This look like a celery. Yum yum. This is a chicken leg. Another chicken. Wow. What is this? Oh, this is a pear. It's a fruit. And we get a tomato. Not a tomato. It's a potato. Alright. What is this? Now that's the tomato. Okay, that looks like the tomato. And what is this? Oh, that looks like a donut. And we have a grapes. And we have a cabbage. And we have the broccoli. And we have the pumpkin pie. Ooh, yummy bun. And we got some more. Oh, we have a onion. Look at all the stuff we got from the Walmart store. Now we have a mushroom in can. We have a beans. Oh, this looks like Martha's soup. Look at that bowl of soup. And this looks like a donut, top of the donut. And we got some cereal. We got some cow's milk. Yum. And we got some spaghetti. Awesome. Okay, now it's time for us to put this back. So we can put this back in the refrigerator. Let's go, people. Let's put them back. Come on. Now, where is our refrigerator? Oh, we have our refrigerator right here. Oh, it's knocked down. Oh, look at this refrigerator. There it is. Let's open up. Oh, this looks like a very small refrigerator for our stuff. How can all they fit in there? No way. Let's see what's inside. It's a Play-Doh refrigerator. There we can mold in a Play-Doh and put it in the fridge. But let's see what can we put here. We gotta put some egg in the fridge. Okay, let's see what we can fit. Oh, the grapes has to go in the crisper. What else can we fit in here? The beans. Oh, that has to go in there. And the broccoli. Let's just stack them together. Sorry guys, we have a very small refrigerator. And I guess that's all we can fit in our tiny refrigerator. We gotta buy a bigger refrigerator. Okay, don't worry, we gotta buy a bigger refrigerator. Let me see if we can close it. Oh, we cannot even close it. We cannot leave the refrigerator like that. It will not get cold. Or we will be wasting a lot of electricity. How are we gonna do this? Let's just put that back and put the beans back. There we go. Yoo-hoo! We have put them back in the refrigerator. Now that's cool. Okay guys, we have put all our food from the grocery in our fridge. Awesome! Now, until we can buy a bigger refrigerator, we cannot get more groceries in Walmart. So, in the meantime, just watch our other videos and see you next time. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Bye. Be sure to check out my other videos, guys, over here, here, or here, or here. And if you're not subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. See ya.